Well, my Happy Mail arrived in the mail delivery the other day, but I've been a bit unwell, so I hadn't opened it. Just taken the plastic wrapper off and thought I would share what's inside. My voice is still croaky. Sorry. Doesn't normally sound this gruff. Great little stamp set. My husband is a triathlete, and we're actually going to a 50th birthday. Hopefully I'm going tomorrow. So I think I'll be putting this stamp set to the test to make a card. Right, what's inside the box? We've got a Calypso Coral stamping spot. I actually like to save those because, of course, I have, being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I have all of the ink pads in full size, but I like the little ones because they are perfect for when we go caravanning. When I go to support my husband when he's doing all these crazy races, I can just take some goodies to play with on the day. Just take a bag of goodies to paint and to play with. Right, that's your backing or what's in the stamp set. And then this is all the goodies inside. Your instructions. I can't wait to play with this. I'm babysitting my granddaughter this morning, or granddaughter sitting. Oh, cute. There's little butterflies in there. So this afternoon I'll need a rest. So I will get playing and making some alternatives to the Stampin' Up! Ideas. Love those. They will be great for mats in my alternative cards. We've got some cycling bicycles, the card bases. Oh, nice. Oh, lovely. Nice coloured card bases. Calypso Coral, it looks like earlier, Old Olive and Daffodil Delight. That's your card bases. And then, wow, that is a big image for a card. That's your front. So that's the main part of the card front. But lovely. More little die cuts. These are great because you just push them out and put them on the card. And then, oh wow, that looks fabulous. Can't wait to get playing with those. As I said, that'll be this afternoon. Hopefully when I need to just sit and have a rest and do some creative play.